Hey guys, Captain Ollie here today with Local Knowledge, and I want to talk to you about 3 Brite products that are just must-haves. I know cleaning stuff isn't that exciting, but when you're in charge of maintaining a boat like this or a few boats like this, cleaning is everything. In fact, I tell people that all the time. Like 90% of being a captain is just keeping your boat in good shape, really. So I started to think about stuff that other guys would use or could use and maybe aren't. And I'm like, okay, what are the 3 that I can't live without? First and foremost is this guy, rust remover. The thing I love about this is it couldn't be easier. And if the rust is thick, I can kind of ignore it for a little while and this will knock it right off. You just spray it on, you wait a little bit, wipe it, rinse it. If it's really bad, use a brush and then rinse it, and you're good to go. Of course, anytime you use something like this that's a stain remover, you're gonna wanna follow with a coat of wax. This will take the wax off your boat. You wanna make sure you replace that so that your boat's protected. And wax is just like sunscreen on a boat, super important. So this would definitely be my #1 because I get lazy or busy during the season and it really helps clean up some of my mess. Along the exact same vein is this mildew remover. No matter what you do, your boat has mildew on it. You don't believe me? Look under your gunnels. Look inside of some of your hatches. You're always gonna have mildew, and it's very prevalent also on the upholstery. Super good, super easy to use, and it gets the job done fast. And then this one, Salt Off. I am terrible about taking care of my gear. This really does the job to fill in those gaps. You know, with my rods and reels, I basically just do a quick wash, we dry them off, and we put them in the cabin or we take them home. I'm not the guy that's stripping my gear down naked and, you know, doing all that stuff 4 times a year. We're just fishing too much. This sort of lets me get away with more than I should. I keep a spray bottle of this as well as the big bottle, and with the spray bottle, every few trips, we'll take the gear, we'll spray it all down and let it sit in there, really work, maybe even take a brush to it, hose the stuff off and dry it. Awesome with your gear. Another use for this is those Winthrop adjustable butts. We have a bunch of them on the boat where you push the button, they're aluminum, and sooner or later the salt's gonna get in there and it's gonna lock that thing up, it's not gonna work. Once or twice a year, we take all of our Winthrop butts off, we put them in a bucket that's got some of this mixed in with water, let them sit overnight, work them out in the bucket a few times, they're right as rain. Throw a little grease on them, you're good to go. And the other time I find myself using this a lot is whenever the boat gets fully soaked. We have a few days of rough weather, I got water coming up over the top and all that kind of stuff. Then I'll hook up the little applicator rig, you know what it looks like, goes in line with the hose, and then we'll spray the entire boat down, top to bottom, twice with this stuff. And this stuff will get into all the little nooks and crannies around your hardware, around your antennas, the tower legs, all that stuff, and it'll force that salt out of there so you don't have it damaging your boat, you know, while you're not around. This stuff is absolutely indispensable. We use it everywhere, and it's as important as putting gas in the boat. These are the 3 Brite products that make my life easier, allow me to fish more, and keep my boat in great shape, both for myself and for future resale value. I won't leave home without them. I suggest you give them a shot.